Hi, I'm Linda Hutchinson of L. Hutchinson Designs. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a menu out of construction paper. If you have a child who loves to play with a toy kitchen and, like my daughter used to like to do, make up a little menu so they can present you with a menu and you can choose from the menu what it is that you want them to prepare on their toy kitchen. This is a great way that they can do it. I have several pieces here of colored construction paper, a marker, and a staple gun. It's very simple. You just put together several pages like this to form a little booklet. Just staple them together like this. And then they can use the marker, or they can use crayons if it's a younger child and perhaps you don't want them to use the marker. And they can decorate the menu, make up a little name to their restaurant. They can make a cover, then they can open it up and put maybe breakfast specials. And then maybe the next page can be lunch. However it is that they want to do it. Let them use their imagination. There's no better toy than imagination. And maybe the last one, you could do desserts or whatever. Let them do whatever it is that they would like. And there you have a quick and easy way to let them play with their imagination and make a little menu out of construction paper. My name is Linda Hutchinson, and thank you so much for joining me. Bye-bye.